Come on, come on, come on. Ah. You work Monday through Friday and can't seem to find enough time to squeeze in a vacation? Well, I'm here today to tell you that you can go on vacation every single day. But traveling between work and home is a form of travel, and I'm here today to share with you all the different tackle selections that I carry in my to-go bag when I'm fishing after work. Be sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up.
ECHOTAIL, the surefire method to fish while you're traveling on vacation every time by Vibrations Tackle. Any fish, any water, anytime.
We are Vibrations Tackle. Most of the time we're using our ECHOTAIL blade bait line. This is very versatile. I got two different kits with me today. We got small and we got big. So in here we've got all of our blade baits, we've got our swim baits, we've got actually even here this is called a funny bone. This is tipped off, so if we wanted to tip off a crawler with it. But literally you could build all of this stuff off of the foundation right here, which is the ECHOTAIL. So it's kind of mix and match, and that is where this comes in. That's why that's so important, because all of these holes you can attach different items to, such as hooks and split rings and tying your lure off. So a lot of different options in there. I always carry different plastics, spare plastics with me, because you can push those onto the ends of these jigs and customize your own lure. So got a lot of different options here. Even the blade bait. Underneath the swim bait, you have a blade bait. So you can cast them, you can troll with them. They cast a long ways, even in the wind. On windy days, vacationing with your family, you really don't have to worry about how much space our line's going to take up, because there's literally hundreds of options and different ways and configurations that you can apply to whatever you're fishing for. So with that being said, we always carry a couple tubes with us as well. With plastics, we got some replacement Mylar skirts, but it really is all kind of to each his own. Really quick, with that being said, I'm going to take and show you what we have actually in the back of my car. Now keep in mind, my day-to-day transit is a little bit different than probably the average person's, because I am doing a lot of filming and I'm on the road running our company, and I do a lot of the marketing. So you do see more stuff than you would probably really need on a day-to-day transit. I just wanted to make that clear, because this does not look very compact on a day-to-day basis, but I do have a day job, and there are times where I just have my bag. But this right here, I call this my draft box. Why? Because I use this box that has all of our or a good portion of our products that I will swap these little boxes out. Is the benefits of being able to have a camera on ready standby at any given moment. For example, my daughter today, we thought she was going to start crawling. She was up on all fours, and I had my camera, my GoPro ready to go, and my wife said, hey, me I think is going to crawl. So by being prepared with your cameras along with all your fishing equipment, there's more benefits than just having allow you to being able to fish every single day. It also has the benefit of being able to capture those moments with your own family and friends, just like that. This is a Hero 5. They do have the ability to capture in high resolution from 1080, 120 frame, all the way up to 4K. But it's very important that you get the correct SD card. Now this right here is a very fast card. This is a 64 gigabyte, and if you see, there's like a little 3 that will allow you to capture your footage in a very high resolution. If you don't have these and you're trying to shoot in 4K or 2.7, your camera might even turn off and you're not going to get the footage that you were hoping to get. So that's GoPro tip number 1. And as always, if you're not fishing on vacation, you're not on vacation. I posted a link to a downloadable PDF file of all the different items that you watched in this video and beyond when I'm traveling and fishing after work. It's free. You can download it, and it has a little more detail in there that you might be interested in. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let us know what you think. Every single Wednesday, we have a new upload coming for you. Thank you all, travelers.